breakdown. So people check in. Remember to like, comment and share on the video.
Yeah. Guys, I remember me there in London. I remember me them call London. See? Them said we couldn't do it, but we did it. Them said we couldn't left prison, but we did it. Them said we couldn't get back visa, but we did it. Them said we couldn't father England, but we did it. Europe expect me. Schengen visa bossy on my passport. And I mean did. God did. What is under me nose?
Yeah, people, it's a good look for see Vybz Kartel in the UK. Yeah, man, it's a good look for see the DJ or the entertainer a circle earl and a enjoy money. So right now, I'll check out Vybz Kartel and talk about Shensia. Yeah, he recently mentioned in an interview that Shensia stole the hit song Ludi from him. Check it out.
Turn out, brother.
Why you?
Yeah, why chest party remix? Definitely.
And why you guys write this long ass like that?
Because it's Kartel, man. That's right.
Now, you gotta space out these individuals. They don't high five each other. Y'all don't fuck that one up.
Oh, is that a Jamaican helped me write those questions? Couple like, what the fuck? Okay, I get it now. I get it.